Step into the GMC 2017 Yukon Denali. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are seats second row bucket power, STD, open road package includes additional 9 months of Sirius XM radio and nav traffic service, CF5, power sunroof, U42, rear seat entertainment system and on SLT, IO6, audio system with navigation, tires P285/45R22 all-season black wall, included and only available with any 22-inch wheels. Entertainment system rear seat Blu-ray DVD with remote control overhead display Wi-Fi wireless projection capability 2-channel wireless digital headphones auxiliary HDMI MHL audio video input and 2 USB ports.